Let's learn how to pronounce the H consonant in American English. There are two ways that native speakers make the H consonant. The first way is to make the H consonant in the throat as you lightly squeeze the vocal cords together. The tongue is relaxed. This is how I make the H consonant. However, some native speakers make the H consonant with the back of the tongue as they lightly squeeze the back of the tongue towards the soft palate. I don't prefer this way of pronouncing the H consonant because if you squeeze the tongue too much, then the H will sound too heavy or constricted. And this is not how the H consonant is pronounced in American English. It's a light constriction of airflow, just barely shaping the air as it travels through the throat and mouth.